If you are also in your 20s or early 20s, that pressure of finding a path to be financially independent, dealing with all the ups and downs in your friendships and relationships, and then those random thoughts of comparing yourself with people around you hits so hard. Your mind have to go through a lot at this time, and a proper aroma of positivity can only eradicate it. Hello everyone, this is Rajshree and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it as it motivates me to bring better every time for you guys. So let's move on and make a note of some points that you will be following in your daily habits so as to keep your mind happy, healthy and stable as well. First, decide your circle. Surround yourself with people who like to work more and stress less. People having positivity, goals, visions set in their life, and the ones who can push you up when you feel down. I know it's difficult to find such a company, but remember the point that it's better to be alone than in a bad company. Second, get organized. Use a calendar and keep a track of when to do what, and even prepare a timetable of each day individually every night. Try to be consistent. Believe me, this works magic. You will feel satisfied for the day even if you complete the 70 to 80% of the thing that you have decided or written in your timetable. Third, know when to take break. No need to work vigorously for 7 days a week and 30 days a month. Take 1 day per week break to take yourself out with the people you love and have fun with the things you love to do, like watch your favorite movies, go out, have your favorite dinner and anything else that will boost you for the entire week. Fourth, reward yourself. Yes, you heard it right. For every successful milestone, give yourself a small treat. Let's say if you have completed 80 to 90% of what you have decided, or anyone have complimented you that you are good going now, and if you got some mini results out of your continuous work and all, then take yourself to a small day or gift yourself your favorite book or dress or anything else you want. I used to do it very often. Like I used to stop my shopping for a time, and then when I used to accomplish some milestone, I used to shop for my favorite thing, and that used to give me a different kind of joy. Fifth point, create meaningful distractions. The biggest distraction in our life nowadays is our mobile phone. Even if you have a habit of scrolling throughout your phone the entire day, just try to subscribe to some of the meaningful channels in your YouTube, or even if you watch reels whole day in your Instagram, then just try to listen to some important things or facts, or listen to those people in spite of listening to the same song and same things over there. And let's say if you have an addiction to watch K-dramas and all, just try to focus on what words they are using and take them out and try to search for their meanings, so that you could even mention the point that you know Korean language in your resume. If you haven't watched my series of how to create a resume, I'll attach it in the I button over here so that you could go and watch it out. And I promise you will learn a lot of meaningful things from there also. So this is how you can take the advantage of your distraction to learn things and implement it when any discussions is going around you for any meaningful subject. Sixth, do exercise, yoga or meditate. At least for 15 minutes a day, try doing any of these things, because after that you will feel how much those 15 minutes contribute in your day to keep you positive, active and even your mind calm. Even if you wake up at around 10 or 11 in the morning, it's okay to do it, because I used to do it at that time itself. Seventh point, be consistent in your practice and preparation. Even if it feels like nothing is working for you and you are vigorously working day and night for that thing itself and blah blah blah, don't quit. Your time will come and you will get all the fruits of all the mehnat that you have done. Keep applying and experimenting with things that comes in your way, even if it is too small. Telling the truth that all these are the things that I have applied in my life, and I didn't feel much difference in the first few durations. But after around 2 to 3 weeks of continuously following all these things, I felt awesome about myself. I had the confidence that I needed, that I felt that I have lost somewhere. And I started getting positive results out of it too. Not only in my jobs and preparations and all those things, but also in my life. These all things might be looking so complicated and too much, but these are the things that you have to involve in your normal life so as to have a sustainable one. Just try to include all these routines from tomorrow itself in your life. First day you will have to push yourself to do those things like, yeah, I have to do this, and then while sleeping at the night, just try to think what I did in the complete entire day today, and you will have a handful of things to think about, and that will only motivate you to work more the next day. So these were the things that will not only help you in eradicating the mental pressure but also achieving your dreams, that too calmly and with lots and lots of positivity in your complete day. If you think this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel also. I wanted to keep this video sharp and crisp, but I'll further be bringing more in this series of mental health and pressures that we people face in our 20s and all, while the job search and all. Till then, keep slaying, keep shining and keep smiling. All the good things that you are waiting for will come to you super soon. Bye-bye.